4 drones, 2 GoPros later. 2018 was one of the best years of my life. From dirt biking the Alberta plains to shredding deep powder at the peak of the Canadian Rockies. All the way to exploring parts of British Columbia that we never even knew existed. I learned in life, with highs come lows. After a difficult breakup in March, I was a bit lost. I found tranquility and peace in finding myself just growing individually. I'm truly grateful for the people that have been in my life, as you've all shaped me into the person I am today. I know tons of people post their year-end memoirs, but I figured I'd do it a little bit differently. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hi! You gotta run! Let's go!